everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing um, publishing your WordPress website on your Google. So you want to upload your WordPress on the Google website. So here's a summarization on how to do that. So first up, you want to make sure that your site is public. So to do that, you want to go to your WordPress dashboard, go to settings, then go to reading, and then make sure the discourage search engines from indexing this site is unchecked. Next one is the to install an SEO plugin. So use a plugin like Yoast SEO. So I'm sure you're already familiar with the SEO. Next one is to create a Google Search Console account. So you want to go to Google Search Console, add your website property, and enter your domain name. After that, you want to verify your ownership. Choose a verification method. Either add a DNS record, upload an HTML file, or use your Google Analytics or Tag Manager account. Next one is to submit your sitemap. So in your SEO plugin, you want to copy your sitemap URL. It is usually this format right here, and then paste it into the search console, go to index and then sitemaps and submit. Lastly, wait for indexing. Google will start crawling your site, and then you can request faster indexing by pasting the individual pages URLs into Search Console. Go to inspect URL and then request indexing. And then once done, your WordPress site will gradually appear in Google search results.